In St. Paul's epistle to the Ephesians, there is the extraordinary sentence, do not meron.
Opo, dito po sa Duway Range version po yan. Bibliang Katolikong English po ito.
Vaccinated travel lane scheme is 10,000. Under Singapore's BPI